Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Luxury Vehicle. Today we are diving deep into the Bugatti Veyron, a reimagined for a new era, and today, we're giving you the ultimate review. The Veyron has always been a statement, and in it's even bolder. The front fascia is sharper, the LED light signature sleeker, and the aerodynamics are active with a massive deployable rear wing that adjusts on the fly. The signature two-tone paint remains, but you can now choose from Bugatti's new bespoke finishes, including liquid titanium, carbon sapphire, and molten silver. Under the rear hood, a revamped 8.0-litre W16 quad-turbo but now hybridized, paired with electric motors on the front axle. Total output now exceeds 1,700 horsepower and 0-60 in 2.1 seconds. This isn't just fast, it's Veyron Fast, a reborn top speed, electronically limited to 261 miles per hour. But rumors say it can go faster. You don't just drive the Veyron, you experience warp speed on asphalt. And some are broken bar. It's smooth, stable, and confidence-inspiring. Step inside, and it's like entering a 5-star lounge built for speed. Hand-stitched leather, polished aluminium, real carbon fiber, every detail screams craftsmanship. You get a fully digital cockpit with a 12.9-inch driver display, paired with a floating Bugatti command center, complete with AI driving assistant, wireless Apple CarPlay, and over-the-air updates. Want custom embroidery, gem-studded controls, a champagne cooler between the seats? Bugatti says yes. The Veyron doesn't just go fast, it adapts. Switch to GT mode, and it's a luxury cruiser. Switch to track mode, and the suspension tightens, the wing lifts, and the Veyron becomes a guided missile. The steering is razor sharp, the acceleration instant, and the brakes monstrous. It's not just a supercar, it's a hyper-luxury grand tourer, with manners to match its muscle. How much, you ask? The Bugatti Veyron starts at $2.8 million. But good luck finding one at MSRP. Production is limited to only 300 units worldwide, and most are already spoken for. The Bugatti Veyron is more than a car. It's an engineering masterpiece, a rolling work of art, and a reminder that no matter how far we go, a Bugatti will always push the limits of what's possible. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe for more supercar content, and let us know in the comments, say what would you do if you had the keys to a Veyron for one day?